Congratulations on taking the first step towards quitting smoking. It's a big decision, and you should be proud of yourself. Please subscribe and share your journey with us. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health. It's not easy, but it is possible. Millions of people have quit smoking, and you can too. There are many resources available to help you succeed, including nicotine gum. This essay will guide you on how to use nicotine gum effectively. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Nicotine gum is a medication that can help you quit smoking. It's available over the counter, which means you don't need a prescription to buy it. The gum contains nicotine, the addictive substance in cigarettes. When you chew nicotine gum, the nicotine is slowly released into your bloodstream. This helps to reduce withdrawal symptoms, such as cravings, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. This way, you can focus on breaking the habit itself. Smoking is more than just a physical habit. It's also a mental addiction. When you smoke, your brain gets used to having nicotine. Nicotine gum provides your brain with a small, controlled amount of nicotine. This helps to ease those cravings and withdrawal symptoms, making it easier to quit smoking without feeling overwhelmed. Think of it as a bridge that helps you cross from smoking to being smoke-free. Using nicotine gum correctly is important for it to work effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, chew the gum slowly until you feel a tingling sensation or a peppery taste. Then, once you feel the tingling, park the gum between your cheek and gum. When the tingling fades, start chewing again. Repeat this process for about 30 minutes. It's important to start with the right dosage of nicotine gum. If you smoke more than 10 cigarettes a day, start with the higher dose, which is 4 milligrams. Section 5. Avoiding common mistakes, chewing for success. Here are some common mistakes people make when using nicotine gum. Understanding these can help you use the gum more effectively and increase your chances of quitting smoking successfully. Chewing too fast can release nicotine too quickly, causing hiccups, nausea, or heartburn. It's important to chew slowly and let the gum rest between your cheek and gums to allow the nicotine to be absorbed gradually. Drinking acidic beverages like coffee, juice, or soda can reduce the effectiveness of nicotine gum. These drinks can interfere with the absorption of nicotine, making the gum less effective in curbing your cravings. Not using enough gum. If you're still experiencing strong cravings, you may need to use more gum or use it more frequently. It's crucial to find the right balance to manage your cravings effectively. Remember, it's important to follow the instructions on the package and talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and help you avoid any potential issues. Section 6. Benefits and side effects. Weighing the pros and cons. In this section, we will delve into the various advantages and potential drawbacks of using nicotine gum as a smoking cessation aid. Like any medication, nicotine gum has both benefits and potential side effects. It's important to understand these to make an informed decision. The benefits include reducing withdrawal symptoms. Nicotine gum can help to reduce cravings, irritability, and other withdrawal symptoms. This can make the process of quitting smoking more manageable and less stressful. Improving mood. Quitting smoking can improve your mood and reduce stress levels. Many users report feeling more relaxed and happier after they stop smoking. Improving overall health. Quitting smoking improves your cardiovascular health, lung function, and reduces your risk of cancer. The long-term health benefits are significant and can lead to a longer, healthier life. Some common side effects of nicotine gum include mouth soreness. This can be reduced by chewing more gently. It's a minor inconvenience that usually resolves with proper use. Hiccups. Chewing slowly and parking the gum can help avoid hiccups. This technique can make the experience more comfortable. Nausea. This usually passes quickly, but if it persists, talk to your doctor. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide additional strategies to mitigate this side effect. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Section 7. Tips for a successful quitting experience. You can do it. Here are some additional tips for a successful quitting experience. These strategies can help you stay on track and make the process a bit easier. Set a quit date. Choose a date and stick to it. Mark it on your calendar and prepare yourself mentally for the big day. Tell your friends and family. Let your loved ones know you're quitting and ask for their support. Their encouragement can make a huge difference. Find healthy ways to cope with stress. Exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature can help. These activities can keep your mind and body busy. Reward yourself. Celebrate your milestones, big and small. Treat yourself to something special as a reminder of your progress. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, not a race. Take it one day at a time and be patient with yourself. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. It's normal to have setbacks. What's important is how you respond to them. Just get back on track and keep trying. Every step forward is a step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. Section 8. Embrace a healthier you. Your future is smoke-free. Quitting smoking is a gift you give yourself and those around you. It's a journey that requires commitment and support, but the rewards are immeasurable. Nicotine gum can be a valuable tool on your path to becoming smoke-free. By understanding how it works, using it correctly, and following these tips, you can increase your chances of success. Take charge of your health and embrace a brighter, smoke-free future. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tips on living a smoke-free life.